Alright, morning. I got some stuff gonna be thrown in to the Supra. So let's get this bitch uncovered. Had it hooked up to the trickle charger for about a week. See how it goes. The dome light comes on. Badass. No door handles, not good. There's a little coin thing though. Works for me. Smell like the air. So I got some spark plugs, fuel filter, distributor cap. Here's a rotor. Some wires there. I'll start with the air filter. See how difficult this is. Already off to a good start. I don't know how this works. PB Blaster has nothing on this shit, man. Man, I wonder how old this damn filter is. Okay, that's an air filter. So let's take off that mass airflow sensor to clean it. Not bad so far. Beats the shit out of cars that are back in Buffalo, I'll tell you that. That little metal piece that goes around, that little metal clip, I don't miss those. Let's just look at it. Doesn't look too bad. A couple spider webs. That's just straight up hinged, ain't it? Alright, let's spray off this saucy bitch. Put a rag in here to catch up all this gunk. Should be wearing goggles. That's fine. Turn to the fucking Tin Man. Give me the fucking straw and it doesn't fit in your dumb cap. You take it all back, everything's fine. That's nice. So glad none of these are stripped out. Gotta love it. Let's get these wires and plugs out. Oh, they're all labeled, huh? Saves me a Sharpie. Swapping out the Dizzy cap and rotor as well. I need a longer extension. Oh yeah, all the extension belongs to me. Not too bad. It's number 6. So I got this and a couple other books. These are OEM Toyota manuals. Spark plug gap, what do we got? 31 thousandths? I'm sure there's many ways to fucking use feeler gauges. This is how I do it. So here I got just 30. What is that, 30? Oh no, shit, that's 32. I'm already fucking up. How about that? Just 30. I don't have a 1,000, so I'm gonna use 15 10,000ths. Just stack those up. It just fits so it's snug. Alright, 5 to go. 35 doesn't fit. These two stacked together fit right in there. Get the rest of these yucky ass plugs out. Get you some of that, bitch. If you don't have one of these, get one. Swivel head ratcheting wrench. You know why they call her a ratchet? Because she comes right back every time. Shit. Boof. They all don't look half bad. Alright, let's sauce the new ones up. Tin Man mode. Tired little motor. That is for certain. Breaking that little crush seal. Initial break-in of that seal, quarter turn, something like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, time for the Dizzy and the wires. Let's kind of get it all over the wires there, and then free up, bitch.
I'll take it out later.
No. Wah, wah, shut up, bitch! No, that's not nice. It's just a little baby. Alright. I'm sure this is why everything is so cheap. It's just been sitting on a shelf for years. Oh, it does come with... Oh, how nice. It's a new little bolt. Definitely been doing a lot of firing. Make sure these are all the same. Mint. Kids are going fucking bonkers, man. Oh, little sweetie. Oh, well, these aren't numbered. Head fucks. Alright, let's go off a length. But these are black and they're fucking cool. Alright. My guess is they're gonna go numbered, higher the number, the longer it is. Or check. Got him, son. 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. You sure about that? You sure about that? Fuck me. Work done. Almost forgot the ignition coil. Let's check that timing. Signal wire, number 1. Okay. Let's get the keys. Should have everything clear of the belt. If not, find out real fast. It's at like 1100 RPM right now. I'm just gonna let it warm up. Okay, should be warmed up by now. Should be 12 degrees before my top dead center. We're on 15 right now. Turn that down slightly. Good right there. Good to go. I'm gonna try to get that fuel filter off. That's a front sump. Do you know what else are front sumps? Fucking 2JZs. Just kidding, I'm not gonna put one in here. Just want it to run. The last time I tried putting a 2JZ into something, yeah, it'll run one day. Where's that fuel filter? It's over here by the starter. There's the starter. There's the fuel lines. Wait, is that the fuel filter? Oh, there it is right there. There's a little thing on it. You see it? Like, yeah, there it is. A little protective cover on there. I love Toyota. All right, let's get some tools. Just 3. Not bad. There's a little cover for that thing. How neat. Oh, that's nice, dear. And that's not even rotted out, man. Nada. All right, the big thing are these B-nuts. Put some heat on them. Ha! It's fuel. Just kidding. Oh yeah, get them all saucy. Oh, come back. I need you. Oh, the transmission is lubed up. I don't have to worry about that. I just have to top it off. All right, this banjo bolt won't be so bad, but these tube fittings, just like with brake lines, this might be a fat C. Oh. No way. It broke loose. What luck, you know what I mean? Not entirely a rot box. Squirt. That's it? And a fuel filter? No, there's some shit in there.
Got it. All the residue from that line is coming down now. Copper washers. Take that guy off. Take that guy off. Let's check these out, huh? They don't look too gnarled up. I mean, they were sealing before. See if I have any extras. Yeah, I'm gonna swap these out. Got some new copper washers here. Yeah, the old ones beat. This guy off to the side. Wait, scripts. Oh, here we go. Cold fuel. Cold fuel. Little thing that just sits on over there. Okay, cool. New one in. Let's do it. Bolt washer, banjo washer part. All right, turn the key. See how it leaks. Ignition's on. Heard the pump spooling up. Not a leak. Oh, we're down here, I guess. Before I put the cover on, look at some stuff. These connectors. Golly, they're old, but shoot if this car doesn't work.
You want to see the gunk that just falls out of this damn filter. Oh, shit. Yeah, she's clogged. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. I know it's not the Datsun. I'm doing the 2JZ shit. I just figured I'd show you guys a little tune-up on this and how I actually work and the spare gouts that I have. But yeah, thanks a lot. And more to come from that bad boy now.